I have
So
some
if
great
you want to run
news for you. If you want Forex Signals,
investor,
I am
you
now
should run
providing
it
it for
on
you.
a minimum
In
1,000 account.
Google
But
App
even
Store,
don't be
I have
scared
now
on 1,000. I have
made
1,000,
a Forex
and you see I was
Signal application that you can get
$32 in one day.
completely
It's
for free.
pretty much.
You find link below
But
the
now
video,
yesterday
and
he
you can
did make
install
us
this
$1.
on your
So
Android
let's see
device
if we
today.
continue
It's just in
a little
beta
like
version
this. We
still.
can say he made
For
us,
example, the stop loss
$90
take profit is a little
yesterday.
too tight. I'm
So
going to work on
let's
that
see
this
how he will
weekend.
do
But the
next week.
entries
I really
are killer.
hope he can start to
I have
get
set
us
up
in
an artificial
good profit.
intelligence
We have a
that
little
is
to go on,
trading the same way
because
like
it's
me
not cool
and
when
giving
he's,
trades automatically in this
losing
application.
much one day.
Okay.
But like I said, let's now take a small
Through
look
the
how this
back
looks
test.
like. Through
So
the
for
numbers
example,
from
we
the
can
broker,
here,
this
the menu,
robot is
take for example
making
dollar
good
against
profit week to week.
euro against
So
dollar,
probably we
and
can't
then you
see
get the latest
day-to-day
entry
but
there.
like I said, this is our
entry,
robot for
the
bigger
entry is
accounts.
perfect by the way.
So I
Stop
will
loss
not
and take
run
profit.
this on a
Yes,
small
I'm
account
going to
because
fix
you can
that.
basically lose
Other than
all
that,
your money in
it's
one
in
day.
beta version,
Or you can
and
be
always
lucky and you can
risk
get
to
a good
reward
day like I
1
had
to 2.
yesterday.
That is important.
So take
Forex investor
need
go
to be bigger
Forex
than the
gold
stop
investor.
loss. That's a one
So
I would
this
run on
will be a way for you now that you can take trades
bigger account
based on this,
and
and
leave
I
it at
really
that.
hope
But
that is
for
something
now,
that you will appreciate.
hold back.
Also,
Let's
of
see
course,
how we see next week.
but Forex
you can choose
Diamond, how you trade. If
that's
you want to put in
Diamond.
50 minutes, 30
That
minutes,
one
1 hour,
is
4 hours,
printing
or
money
day,
for now, and I'm going to
you
set up
can
a little.
put alerts
So
in the top
I
right
will
corner
talk a
there, you
little
see,
about that
and you
tomorrow.
can see I have
Let's
quite
see.
a lot of peers
But once again,
that you can choose
check
from
out
to take
my
trades.
also I'm adding
Forex
little
Signal
information
application
for
for
Android.
Android, for example,
Link below the video. I really hope you like
Forex
it. I'm going to
robots
work
that
hard
we
on
have
it this
going
weekend.
on.
What I find
So
out
when
is
we
good.
start
in Monday,
I will add more here later on when I find good robots. But here I will just add the good ones. And of course, you have
for that,
make
trading.
sure you subscribe
So
my
if
channel
you're into
to that
that
notification so you
information about
never
that
lose
also.
an update
Just
just
for
like
now,
this.
the most
And make
important
sure you
is
like
the
this
Forex
video, of
Signals.
course.
And
So
make
once
a
again,
comment
I
below
really
if
hope
you
that you will
are
like this
using
application,
one, you
this
find link
robots,
below the
or
video
you
if you want to
planning
install
to,
this on
or
your Android
also,
device
are
today.
you downloading my
I
application?
will make
And
later on
to come in.
I'm going to work
very much on that
for
application.
Apple also.
So that will be one that you can
just stay tuned for that.
the trades
and make
also,
money
if you like
for
this
that,
type of videos, this
have an
video is
amazing day.
all about this channel. I mean, it's all about Forex, Forex robots. Sometimes can be a little cryptocurrency, but it's basically mostly Forex. So if you have interest about these type of things, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, because there will always be update video about how my Forex robots are doing, which one you should start, which one you should not start. I will test out some free Forex robots also later on, so I hope you like this type of content. But for this, this is the winner today, and I really hope that you like it and you can start making money by using these Forex Signals. Okay? Other than that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.